Alright, so today we are going to talk about some physiographic divisions in Africa, some physical features, as well as some places that have been in news recently in the year 2020, and that it's very important for the prelims that is coming in October. So let's start with drawing an outline. Something like this, we have Africa. Let's draw an inverted triangle over here, a triangle over here, a curved arc here, a range over here. Then draw a zigzag line almost touching till here, and at the end of it there's a circle. Then mark a few other circles and one over here and one over here. Mark this region and mark this region. I'll tell you what they are about. We also have some river basins, so let's point that out using red color. We have one river over here and a huge basin over here. This of course is there. This is River Nile. One over here and another over here, another over here. So these are the main locations. I'll tell you about the physiographic divisions later on. Now pointing them out, this line over here represents Namib Desert. This one over here is Kalahari. This one is Drakensberg mountain range. Now these circles represent lakes, starting with Lake Nyassa, originally known as Lake Malawi, from where the river Nile starts. We have this one as Lake Tanganyika. Then there is another one over here which is Lake Edward. This one over here, which lies a little bit on an offshoot of River Nile, is Lake Victoria, very important. This one is Lake Albert. This one that I pointed separately from River Nile is Lake Turkana. Why this one is important is because there have been so many skeletons which are skeletons of Homo species that used to occur earlier, for example Homo erectus, that have been found at this particular location. This is very important from anthropological point of view. Then this one over here is the Western Desert. This one over here is Libyan Desert, and this one is Nubian Desert. This is Lake Nasir. This region that I shaded is Ethiopian Highland, and this one is Somalia as a country, also known as Horn of Africa. Why this is important? Because this is a hub of piracy. So there is a lot of trade happening over here. Trading ships hover in this region, and this has also become a hub of piracy. So there's so much surveillance going over there. Now coming on to this one, this is Ahaggar mountain range, and this one over here is Atlas mountain range. Coming on to rivers, we have this one as Niger. This one over here is Congo, also known as Zaire. This one is river Zambezi. Why it is important? Because here we have Victoria Falls. And this one is river Limpopo. And this one, which almost forms a boundary of South Africa, the northern boundary, is river Orange. So these are the important locations. Coming on to physiographic divisions that I'll be pointing out in the original map itself. So this one here, see, I've already pointed in it the Atlas Mountain, the Haggar Mountains, the Western Desert, Libyan Desert, Nubian Desert, Lake Nasser. We have Nile, which is composed of two streams, Blue Nile and White Nile. Blue Nile over here is coming from somewhere over here from Ethiopian highlands, and White Nile goes on, it comes from way back in from Lake Nyassa. Over here we have Lake Nyassa, Lake Tanganyika, Lake Edward, Lake Victoria, Lake Albert. Okay, and also notice Mount Kilimanjaro over here between Lake Tanganyika and Lake Victoria, and we have Mount Kenya over here between Turkana and Victoria Lake. We have Congo Basin over here, and also very important, here we have Katanga Plateau. Why this is important? Because it is an important location where copper and uranium are found in abundance. Then we have Kalahari Desert, we have Namib Desert, we have Drakensberg, we have Orange River, Limpopo River. We have Mozambique Channel over here, which separates Africa from Madagascar. We also have Cape of Good Hope over here, and we have Victoria Falls on River Zambezi. Then we have River Niger over here, and coming on to physiographic divisions, we have Sahara Desert, the largest hot tropical desert, and this area over here that I've pointed out using this region is actually the savanna grasslands, and this transition zone between Sahara Desert and the savanna grasslands is named as Sahel. Why this is important? Because Sahel region actually hosts some of the poorest countries of Africa. The living conditions are very poor over there, and this has been in news also recently. So that's what we have. We have desert, we have transition zone, we have savanna grasslands. The Congo Basin region over here hosts mostly the equatorial rainforest region. We have lake region. This whole region over here is actually the Rift Valley. We have Ethiopian highlands, we have Somali Peninsula. So these are the desert regions. We have almost covered the important physiographic divisions. Now I'll be moving on to the places that have been in news recently. Moving on to pointing out some of the important places in news, we have first of all the Libyan area over here. I'm talking about the country, Libya country, because there has been a rebellion going over there since 2011 against, it started against Muammar Gaddafi, but the political instability is still persistent. Then we have in Sudan, the country of Sudan, there has been a power transition crisis over there and violent crackdown on protests. So Sudan has also been in turmoil. Then over here we have Democratic Republic of Congo, and that has been in news because of the new Ebola epidemic that was reported recently, and you should also read about the disease Ebola in general because it is again common news. Now we have some countries over here in these regions. One is Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso has been in news for the wrong reasons because there was a terrorist attack over there. And then we have Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone is also somewhere over here. Sierra Leone has been in news because our vice president paid a visit to that country, and India would be establishing a high commission over there. And over here there is a small group of islands called Comoros. Why this has been in news? Because again our vice president paid a visit to that island also. Other than that, we have Gambia over here, which was in news because it took Myanmar to International Court of Justice over the Rohingya issues, and Indian president, our president of India, also paid a visit to this country. So that is why it was in news. Sahel I've already talked about. It is the transitional zone between Sahara and Savannah. Why it was in news? Because reportedly ISIS has started increasing its foothold in the Sahel region. Other than that, very important is one Danakil depression over here. A research came which pointed out that life is almost impossible to survive here. Why? Because there are huge deposits of magnesium brine over here, and the very low pH and very high salt concentration makes life very difficult to survive over here. This is also a region with it's below sea level, so that also increases the problem. So that has been in news because of the research. So these were the locations which have been in news recently. In this series of mapping that I am covering for prelims 2020 as well as 2021, after Africa I will be covering Europe, and that particular continent is extremely important because there are so many things that keep happening in that continent. Check that video also. I will be posting it as soon as possible. Thank you very much.